Well, thank you for that much support and thank you for the views in my old videos. Spray hydrated. So spray hydrated in. Wow! So today we're gonna be unboxing this. This is so cool. I got it when I was 5. I turned 5 and I got it. I was like, Mama, please khol lo, Mama, please khol lo. It's finally the day. I was getting hurt a lot this day and I was crying a lot. That is why saved my day. So what are we waiting for? So first we're gonna take out the day. Take out the thing, the whatever it is. So guys, first I should have explained you what these things are. So this is just a whole family thing. Like there are a lot of things of kids. There's a boy, there's a girl, there are 2 kids. There's a walker, there's this dress, there's the boots, there's her purse, there's her perfume, there's a telephone, then there's a butterfly or a clipper. I don't know what's that. There are more things and some dresses also. Don't forget the dresses. So now we're gonna unbox it. Ooh la 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 la. This is so beautiful, these dresses. Yes. So now we're gonna. Now we have to just do it because I showed you this treasure hunt. This treasure. So now we're gonna take out from the bag. I'll show you. We just have to swirl it. This. I don't even know how do these people pack it. Cause I don't know if I did it. This is actually so funny. I think we have to fix it. Oh my, this is, no, they fixed my mom. Why did they even give boots? Are you serious? I wanted to unbox it since 3 years. They're broken. I don't know why they did this. In the half of the part I cannot unbox because these are small parts that my mother